man. Hello. Hi friends. So hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my new vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Throttle with 450. So today we are going towards झारग्राम, जो मेरा घर से लगभग 110 किलोमीटर है, 110 लगभग 110 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है. और देर इज़ अ टेम्पल एज वेल, कनक दुर्गा टेम्पल. ऑल्सो देर इज़ अ वेरी गुड साइड व्यू नियर बाई टू दैट टेम्पल. देर इज़ अ रिवर पासिंग बाई इन दैट प्लेस. सो नाउ अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, मैं और मेरा दोस्त लोग, एक्चुअली मेरा भाई लोग. तो मेरा साथ एक भाई है पीछे, जिसको हम लोग प्रोफेसर बुलाते हैं. एंड देन देयर इज़ वन हंटर ऑफ अनदर भाई. तो वहाँ पे 2 लोग हैं, तो टोटल 4 लोगों का प्लान है अभी जाने का. तो स्टार्टेड राइट नाउ 2:21 एंड वी विल बी प्रोबेबली रीचिंग down as early as possible because we just wanted to see the sun going down, that is sunset. Just wanted to view that scenario and then come back. We are actually trying to going to that place for a couple of times. We had planned, we cancel and then again we plan and cancel. यहाँ पे हाट हो रहा है गाइज. सो दिस इज़ हाट. द प्लेस कॉल्ड इज़ रेडीपुर. सो दिस इज़ गुड. So now we will be traveling first on NH16, which is Chennai Calcutta highway, and till Kharagpur bypass. So from Kharagpur bypass to towards Jhargram. So it will have we will connect this route, Bombay highway. So this, I think, NH65, if I'm not wrong, that is NH65 probably, if I'm not wrong. So मैं एक बार NH रूट की आपको अपडेट करता हूँ. तो NH में चढ़ने के बाद we will probably show you there is no setup actually, to be honest. Today this is just a simple a ride, afternoon ride, that's all. Nothing as such as fancy, that riding jacket, riding gears and all. They're just nearby places to visit. So अभी के लिए इतना ही. मैं मिलता हूँ आपको NH में उठ के probably. Yes. Yeah guys, just Durga Puja has just completed. So day before yesterday was Vijayadashami for us. Although we had one day less in Durga Puja this year because of Navami Dashami getting merged. I'm not sure whether it is Navami Dashami getting merged and or Ashtami Navami getting merged. I'm not sure about it, but then it got reduced by one day, and then that is why the Vijay has came out very pretty early. Fuel up भी कराना है, तो मैं शायद नहीं, मतलब शायद नहीं, ये तो प्रॉबेबल, ये तो फिक्स्ड है कि NH में उठ के ये कराना ही है, फ्यूल अप कराना ही है. पेट्रोल अभी के लिए दिखा रहा था 127 किलोमीटर का रेंज. तो मैं देखता हूँ. गाइज प्लीज़ डू शेयर, लाइक, comment and subscribe to my channel. I just created, to be honest, if you like the video, then only you subscribe, and then you share the channel, and keep us growing, both of us. It is a win-win situation, so keep both of us growing. it's not only me or it's not only my channel, it's for your channel as well. So we will grow together, and this is a kind of a family which I need to create it for a long period of time, from I think 2015-16. From that time I was trying to create a YouTube channel, or you know, probably a lot of things I had planned, but then because of certain things it got delayed by 9-10 years probably. Yes, right now I think I am in a very good position to manage things right now, but also we have lot of you know, struggles in those sort of things. बट हाँ, बस वही है, चल रहा है, अच्छा चल रहा है. So if you like the video, do share, like, subscribe and comment, and also please watch the video till end, and then like the channel. Yeah. Hello guys, so अभी हम लोग NH16 में है. सो ये कनेक्ट करता है चेन्नई कोलकाता को. सो अभी देयर इज़ अ प्लेस कॉल्ड बाखावतो विच इज़ वेरी नियर बाई टू अस, probably 9 kilometers. So right now we are on the highway, 92 kilometers to go as of now. So if you see, this is a two-lane highway which connects till Kolkata. So we will not go towards Kolkata. So from Kharagpur bypass we will be taking left towards NH65 probably, which will connect automatically to Bombay route. So वो रास्ते में थोड़ी देर जाने के बाद probably we will have to take I mean the single way state highway or state lane, one way, which will be leading towards the Kanak Durga Mandir. Yeah, so far journey is good. We completed approximately 12 kilometers as of now. So yeah, रोड कुछ ऐसा है. रोड का कंडीशन आप बोल सकते हो ठीक है, मतलब इतना ख़ास नहीं है, इतना बुरा भी नहीं है. इट इज़ ओके काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. we'll have to cruise around 80-90 or probably 100 so that we can reach early bit, but I will not take it, I'll not stretch it till the end, but then we'll have to figure it out how we will ride it, because we have a we have two brother coming on that hunter. जो लोग हंटर में आ रहे हैं वो लोग शायद इतना कवर अप नहीं कर पाएंगे हम लोगों के साथ, because we will be reaching probably little early. We will have to fuel it up nearby to that petrol bunk which will be coming very soon. So from here it is saying 4 kilometer ahead. So 4 किलोमीटर का बाद है fuel. So we will be probably filling up the full petrol, I believe. full, हाँ, full का ही करा लेते हैं. I think petrol pump is on left. Yes. We will fill up now here. थोड़ा पेट्रोल का भी लोचा है. लोचा is not that much, but yeah, can go till 50-60 kilometer depending on your riding style, but we need to figure it out. Hi guys, so I have to update one thing. I told you we will be connecting to NH65. That is not NH65, that is NH49, which connects to Bombay Road. So that is NH49, not NH65. So we will be I think again for 11 kilometers straight from here, and then we'll have to take a left turn from Kharagpur bypass towards the NH49, which connects to Jhargram side, so which is Bombay Road from here. So yeah, so far journey is good. I think we have completed almost 30 kilometers, almost, not exactly, I don't know how much kilometer we have completed. Almost 30 kilometers, yeah, to be honest, almost completed 30 kilometers. So yeah, journey is good as of now. I think this area, all this area is nearby to Kharagpur. So Kharagpur ka industrial park side hai. So there are multiple companies. The production companies are here. So if you see behind, we crossed one that is Supreme manufacturing site. Supreme, I think it is plumbing प्लम्बिंग का ये है इंडस्ट्रीज़ है. देयर इट इज़ सुप्रीम. और एक दो है रेशमी करके. आई थिंक रेशमी इज इन बॉम्बे रोड. रेशमी इज इन बॉम्बे रोड. सो बॉम्बे रोड रेशमी है. इट्स गुड. आई कुड सी मैनी कंपनीज इन प्रोडक्शन, ऑब्वियसली इन प्रोडक्शन इन खड़गपुर. सो गुड.
Show me a way out, give me your side of the story. Throw me a rope here, I've drifted way too far. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes. It's been a long time coming, but it feels all the same anyway.
This is Griffin International Griffin International School. This is good. I think one of the famous school in Kharagpur, as per my knowledge, because I stay very close to Kharagpur. So मुझे जितना लगता है खड़गपुर का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉलेज है. ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ केवी इन खड़गपुर, बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द प्राइवेट ग्रेड कॉलेज, ग्रेड स्कूल, सॉरी. हाय गाइस, सो now we will be taking this is Kharagpur bypass. So from here we will be taking left side route, so which connects to NH49, from my understanding now, which is connects to NH49, to be honest, which is true. So we took the U-turn. Now we will be going towards Jhargram route. So this is Bombay route. So this will take us to Jhargram road, I believe. So yeah, this is good. So from here we have 61 kilometer left, which is nothing but 45 kilometers we already covered. Nice, good. So if you see, Nagpur is 1000 kilometer, Sambalpur is 446 kilometer, and from where we are going it is just 60 kilometers from here. So this route is pathetic, man. I mean, yeah, probably it is nearby the city, so because of that it is getting that, what you can say, not that great. But then you will probably find it out, because this will have to cover it approximately 30-40 kilometers in this route. So we will be getting bit more about this route in later few if you go a bit far from the city rather being inside the city. So this is good. अरे पता नहीं वो भाई लोग साला मेरे से पहले जल्दी निकाल गया यार. I told them to ride slow. I don't know, because we stopped for fuel, right, refueling, right? So they told they will do it later. I think सामने जा रहे हैं. मेरे को जितना लग रहा है सामने जा रहा है, जितना मेरे को लग रहा है. I'm not sure, क्योंकि okay, now from there left side we have to go, which will be connecting to बॉम्बे आई थिंक हाँ सामने आ रहा है this road. I know this road is horrible, man. This is Chaurangi, where the circle we took, that is Chaurangi. Kharagpur. If you go straight from there, I mean from there if you take right, you will go towards, what you can say, Midnapur. And if you go towards left, you would have come down, I mean go inside Kharagpur city, and if you go straight like what we do, we will go towards the Bombay road. दोस्त एक बात बताना है, लाइफ को सीरियसली मत लो, लाइफ को एंजॉय करो, rather you being in 9 to 5 job or you being into any sort of education, you study, you do whatever the hell you want to do, but then you enjoy the ride as much as possible. So yeah, that's what.
It's been a long time coming, but it feels all the same anyway. You'll be in my mind at any given part of the day. Give me love when this is all over, and take my heart with both of your hands. I've been spending all my days just trying to find a way. Give me love when this is all over. Love will carry all our days till we find another way. No one ever said it'd be easy.
भाई साहब ये लोग अलग ही. हाँ, दिस इज़ रश्मि, द इंडस्ट्री आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो आई थिंक प्लास्टिक्स का कुछ है, रश्मि ग्रुप. सो हियर दिस इज़ द एरिया इन रश्मि. सो या दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. अभी ये रोड मस्त लग रहा है गाइस. सो दिस इज़ NH49 which we took from खड़गपुर चौरंगी एंड बाईपास. सो अभी ये जा रहा है पूरा. हम लोगों को कितना देर, हम लोगों को इसमें 24 किलोमीटर स्ट्रेट रहना है. देन स्टेट हाईवे 5 में घुसना है लेफ्ट जाके. सो गुड स्ट्रेट हाईवे. सो प्रोबेबली आई विल नॉट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम. हाईवे में चला के तो मतलब हाईवे आर बोरिंग पीपल से, बट देन in throttle, if you want to open highway as the best place to open the throttle, to be honest. But if you do trailing and off-road, then probably highway are boring and all. Like it depends how you ride and what it depends on your riding style, to be honest. So how you want to ride and all your riding style differs actually, to be. Hi guys, just entered in the state highway. Yes, so from here it is 24 kilometer to go, to be honest. So we are going. The route was good. अच्छा लग रहा है. The road was pretty good, to be honest. As of now, what we are getting right now. Only thing is this is one way. That's all. Only one thing in this is if you see, this is a straight line. There is no cut in between the white line. So what does it mean? It means you should not cross it to the other lane to overtake the vehicle. So now if you see, this is having a cut, right? So you can, if you want, you can go to the other lane and then come back again to your left side, which is you can overtake this if you see this cut of white line, that means you can overtake. And if there is a white line, straight white line, you should not overtake in that scenario. Go to the other lane and see. This is why people are not knowing this. So see, they come, the vehicle, it came down in front of my bike. So that means they do not know, or I don't know, maybe because they are in a hurry or something. That is how the accident actually happened. So you should not. Now in this case, if you see, we can go a different lane to overtake and then come back again on the same route, I mean same lane, right? So you should not overtake in if it is a straight white line like this. So you should not you should not take this overtake in that line. Yeah, roads are good. काफ़ी अच्छा है जगह. Oh, state bus. This is typically West Bengal State Bus, South Bengal State Transport Corporation, SBSTC. And there is one other thing is WBTC, so West Bengal Transport Corporation. Routes are scenic, man. Okay, it has mentioned that the elephant crossing area, which means there will be elephant, जंगली elephant cross करता है इस road पे. तो probably night ride it will not be safe in this route. I'm not sure whether it is there or not, but I don't think it is safe. अरे वीडियो, अरे फोटो तुले इधर नहीं, ফটো তুলে আমি কোটি ফটো তুলে হইতে নি, ফটো তুলে দাঁড়িয়ে গেরা. হ্যাঁ, ফটো তুলে হইতো নি ফ্রিগিল চ দেখি. I was asking him to take photos of the video, like thumbnail and all. So good. Route is good, man. This all I think साल गाछ, I mean साल का पेड़ है, if I'm not wrong. अच्छा है. इनका लकड़ी बहुत मजबूत होता है for दीवार and what you can say cot, then bed, ये सब बनाने के लिए यूज़ होता है. This properly is a jungle area, I believe. 16 kilometers to go from here, and it's showing 27 minutes. So around 4:30 we will be there. 4:30, 4:40 will be there and in the place. Awesome, man. Looking so good, man. Actually, we took few shots here inside the jungle. The location was good, so I thought of taking it photos. To be honest, actually, why we are going to Dulung is because we had a bet. To be honest, हम लोगों को मतलब मेरा पीछे जो भाई बैठा है उसका नाम है प्रोफेसर, तो प्रोफेसर वाज टेलिंग कि मैं कभी डुलुंग जा ही नहीं पाऊँगा क्योंकि there are a lot of restriction it seems in my home, and then we took it in a serious way, and then we started telling कि we will go. It's good to go to Dulung. I believe places are good here. It's looking very good compared to my village. It's a touring place, I believe. It's a touring area. So here also there are few Jamboni. Okay, if you go straight it will have you'll go to Jhargram. If you go this way you will go to Jamboni. I don't know what is Jamboni, where it is, but then this route is also good, man. Oh, now off-road started, man. See, even if the route is like this, we have Himalayan, so no worries, guys. We will just ride through all this road. Okay, I think this road is like this only then, because they are putting water, so I believe the route is like this. I'm carrying the DSLR actually with me, so thought to check to click good photos, but then resort. Okay, this is one resort. This is here. Okay, this way. Kilometers. See the road, man. That's good. Actually, Bhagna had missed. Bhagna, if you are watching the vlog, just miss where we are going. I know we already been there in Dulung last year in this time around. We are on trip to Purulia, so when we are coming back from Purulia, we actually entered this place in this mandir. So yeah, Bhagna, अब तो नहीं आए, घर में बैठे हो, तबीयत का ध्यान दो. Actually, I think it is a rural area, to be honest. Yes, but if you see, the place is good. That is why we have decided to come to Dulung. Place is good, as in there is a river actually passed by the temple, so that is why it looks significant. And I actually, to be honest, I love river rather than sea. From here 5.8 kilometer, almost 6. रोड थोड़ा अच्छा था, थोड़ा पहले ख़राब था, फिर अच्छा था, फिर ख़राब हो गया. अभी ख़राब is not that bad, but yeah, like there's a potholes and all. रोड है तो potholes तो होगा ही for sure, and particularly in India. Oh, this ground is good, man. See, this is again kind of jungle tile in this area. I think Dulung ka river will be passing by to the right side of mine, if I'm not wrong. Last year it was like that only. I don't know whether we took this route or other route, but yeah. और 4 kilometer exactly. This is properly remote area, fully remote area. Like us. हम लोगों का तो इतना भी ये नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं, इतना भी दुकान उकान नहीं है हम लोगों का, तो इससे अच्छा रिमोट एरिया है, मतलब और भी रिमोट एरिया है. 1.3 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम हियर डुलुंग. भाई कनक दुर्गा मंदिर 2 किलोमीटर जाऊँ फिर राइट यहाँ से
2 किलोमीटर जाना, गेट है वहाँ पे, और उस साइड से राइट ले जाना. बाइक पे रखना. मैं लोग गया था, अब भी आया सीधा.
So this is the route of Kanak Durga का रूट है. तो ये है सर, ये है पिकिल, ये है प्रोफेसर, और ये है इंद्रनील, जिसको हम लोग भाड़ू बोलते हैं, निकनेम. ये मेरा कैमरा लेके पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है, बट कुछ कर रहा है,
कुछ तो कर रहा है. छबरी लोगों का काम ही ऐसा है.
क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? बोलो.
छबरी लोगों का काम ही ऐसा है.
कौन, मैं या फिर पिकिल?
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है भाई?
बोल रहा था कि घर साइड बारिश वारिश का सीन हो रहा है. अभी यहाँ पे तो बारिश का ऐसा कुछ सीन नहीं है, बट या गुड, सो फार सो गुड. जर्नी वाज गुड. हाउ वाज द जर्नी सर?
ओके.
अभी मंदिर से लेफ्ट जाके ये रोड जाता है डुलुंग रिवर का साइड. डुलुंग रिवर एक छोटा सा नदी है, जहाँ पे जाते हैं. दिस इज़ गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बहुत अच्छा जगह है मेरे हिसाब से. तो अगर आप अकेले आ रहे हो या फिर कपल के साथ आ रहे हो, तो वेरी यू नो शांत प्लेस है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. पूरा जंगल एरिया है पूरा. यस, नाउ द रिवर स्टार्टेड हियर. हियर द रिवर स्टार्टेड. आई थिंक यू गाइस कैन सी द रिवर. एक्चुअली हम लोग सोच रहे थे मछली पकड़ने के लिए यहाँ पे, बट या वी केम लिटिल बिट लेट. इफ यू कैन सी दिस इज शिप टाइप. गुड area is superb. This is kind of a offbeat place, but बढ़िया जगह है to be honest. Hi guys, we are going back to parking. We just clicked few photos. If you like the vlog, please do subscribe, like, comment and share the video.
Show me a way out, give me your side of the story. Throw me a rope here, I've drifted way too far. I see it sometimes behind those kind eyes.